page the user is met with is the menu choice page. So the first button we are shown is the generate cup match team, and this will just create the most competitive team based off ratings of different players. So if I press this, we are shown the team sheet. So this will be the team sheet for the most competitive team, ranging from positions 1 to 15. And then if I want to generate the friendly team, which refers to the number of games a player has played compared to being available for, then they can press this button here, and this should create a team sheet here. Lovely. So this is the friendly team sheet. That all works nice. And then if you would like to go to Players DB, you can simply press this button here, and it takes you over to the players database, which we can edit, which I will show later. And then from there, we can also send out emails to players querying availability simply by pressing this button. That works lovely. And then also we can create ratings DB database. Obviously, I already have created one. If need be, create it here. And that is all good.